anyways?
I am so confused right now.
Are you Chester? Or should I say, Impostor?
Let's get him!
What imposter would throw out 3 crewmates knowing he would get caught?
He is right.
Let's just keep playing. We're gonna get nowhere if we keep doing this.
Fine by me.
Why did he have to win again?
I'm getting tired of Jeff winning all the imposter games.
Hey guys!
Hey Jeff.
What you talking about?
Oh, nothing. Nothing. So,
So?
shall we have another game?
Let's go!
The National Weather Service in Winchester has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern McDowell County in southern West Virginia, eastern Mercer County in southern West Virginia, northwestern Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, North Clark County in northwestern Virginia, until 5:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:30 p.m. a severe thunderstorm was located over North Fork, moving southeastern at 26 miles per hour. Hazard tennis ball size hail source radar indicated impact damage to vehicles. Its expected locations impacted include Welch, Gary, War, North Fork, Bluefield, Princeton, Athens, Bramwell, Winchester, Middletown, Stephen City, Barryville, and Boyce. Precautionary and preparedness actions for your protection: move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. The National Weather Service in Williamson has issued a tornado warning for South Lawrence County in northeastern Kentucky, northeastern Boyd County in northeastern Kentucky, southwestern Wayne County in southwestern West Virginia, southeastern Mingo County in southwestern West Virginia. This includes the city of Williamson. Until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:21 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Dilbarton, or 5 miles northeast of Ashland in Kentucky, and moving southeast at 59 miles per hour. In addition, at Midland, a rotating cloud was reported by train spotters at 4:21 p.m. with this storm. This storm has a history of producing penny-size hail. As well, locations impacted include Williamson, Gilbert, Dilbarton, Wayne, Ashland, Catlettsburg, Louisa, Batesville, Tug Fork River, Gaddisville Lake. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Clarksville has issued a tornado warning for Montgomery County in northern Tennessee until 6:49 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was capable of producing a tornado was spotted in Cunningham, moving south at 49 miles per hour. Other locations in this tornadic thunderstorm include Woodlawn, Pomeroy, Sango, Fort Campbell, Dunbar Cave State Park, Port Royal State Historic Park, Cumberland River Lab, McGregor Park. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if you are in a mobile home or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Independence has issued a tornado warning for central Grayson County in southwestern Virginia, northeastern Washington County in southwestern Virginia, southeastern Scott County in southwestern Virginia, until 7:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado southwest at Galax, moving east at 61 miles per hour. The tornado is expected to be near Galax at 5:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Another storm just north of Montrogers will move to at New River by 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. South of Jefferson National Forest by 5:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. North of Glade Spring by 5:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Near South Halston Lake by 5:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Grayson Highlands State Park, Abingdon, Damascus, Virginia Creeper Trail, Barter Theater, Gate City, Duffield, Natural Turnal State Park, Clinch River, Daniel Boone Wilderness Trail. Go to a basement or a small interior room on the lowest floor. This is your local NOAA weather radio station serving the Grayson County metropolitan area. Previously on the tornado outbreak on Ohio on October 17, 2029. The tornado alley has moved to the eastern part of the United States. The following states is associated: Ohio, West Virginia, Virginia, Wisconsin, Michigan, Indiana, Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee, Florida, Maine, Maryland, Rhode Island, Vermont and Louisiana. At 3 p.m., the National Weather Service in Columbus has stated that more tornadoes will occur, and the frequency of the tornadoes will increase. According to the National Weather Service, there will be 1280 tornadoes per year. The Columbus area will not experience a lot of heat due to tornadoes at noon. A lot of U.S. states are experiencing tornadoes. This will increase the risk of tornado warnings. This will be a dangerous year of the eastern part of the United States. The previous states that were associated with the tornado alley like Texas will now have a low chance of getting tornadoes. The more area in Oklahoma will now experience less tornadoes. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Jefferson County in central Alabama, north central St. Clair County in central Alabama, western Shelby County in central Alabama, until 7:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was capable of producing a tornado was spotted in Leeds, moving south at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Hoover, Vestavia Hills, Bessemer, Pelham, Alabaster, Moody Oak Mountain State Park. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if you are in a mobile home or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Romney has issued a tornado warning for Hampshire County and Hardee County until 8:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was capable of producing a tornado was spotted in Cape on Bridge, moving north at 47 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Augusta, Springfield, Morrayfield, Warrensville, Lost River, Matthias. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if you are in a mobile home or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is your local NOAA weather radio station serving the Romney area. In the next few hours, a lot of states will experience tornadoes and severe thunderstorms, increasing the risk of tornadoes and storms. The risk of having tornadoes is 78.2%. The risk of having severe thunderstorms are higher than tornadoes. The risk of having severe thunderstorms is 81.6%. The West Virginia area might experience heat-related issues due to the shift of the tornado alley that associated the eastern part of the United States. The current time is 7:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service in Northampton has detected a severe thunderstorm in Massachusetts in Hampden County. This storm produces 129-mile-per-hour wind gust. The storm has not formed yet but developing. At 12:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time tomorrow, this storm will be completely developed and will now form a tornado at 9:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Guys, you're back!
Jeff! Oh, it's been
The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Western Hampden County in western Massachusetts, Western Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, until 4:35 a.m. tomorrow. At 8:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over South Hadley, moving north at 79 miles per hour. Hazard golf ball-size hail source radar indicated impact damage to vehicles as expected. Locations impacted include Williamsburg, Amherst, Northampton, East Hampton, South Hadley, Belchertown, Ware, Springfield, Chicopee, Holyoke, Westfield, Agam, Ludlow. Precautionary and preparedness actions for your protection. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
What's going on?
Someone's attacking us!
It's the aliens!
Jeff! You gotta get us out of here!
I'm on it!
Please stand by for a message from the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a tornado warning for extreme western Hampton County in western Massachusetts, extreme western Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, until 5:35 a.m. At 12:40 a.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 2 miles near Williamsburg or 7 miles near Easthampton. Moving south at 47 miles per hour, the tornado will be near around Amherst at 12:58 a.m. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for western Massachusetts. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:35 a.m. for the following counties in Massachusetts, Hampton and Hampshire.
The current time is 12:41 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is your NOAA Weather Radio serving the Springfield metropolitan area. At 5:35 a.m. in this early morning, the tornado and severe thunderstorm will dissipate. The Massachusetts state area are experiencing heat-related issues after the shift of the tornado alley. Massachusetts might experience rain, storms and tornadoes every 1 to 8 days. We will get a lot of rainfall until we get some summer and sunny day. At the past few hours, West Virginia is experiencing more rainfall in the past few days. The combination of rainfall and tornadoes are extremely cold and can cause hypothermia. Much of the regions hasn't seen very hot days. We will get a lot of cold weather and severe weather until we finally get some sunny weather for 10 days. This cold weather led to food shortages. Any tornadoes or strong wind or hail can make any food or drinks colder. Tune to local media outlets and internet sources for more updates on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the West Virginia State Police Department and the Massachusetts State Police Department. At approximately 5:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, all tornadoes has dissipated now. It is now safe to go out your shelters. However, many houses and businesses are destroyed undamaged due to the tornadoes. The builders will try to rebuild all the damaged homes and businesses. This is one of the most dangerous tornado outbreaks of 2029. Due to the large and deadly tornadoes, there are countless deaths and countless damaged houses. The following states are damaged: West Virginia, Virginia, Kentucky, Alabama, Tennessee, and Massachusetts. There were countless mass destruction. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. Normal programming will now resume.